Before cleaning your laptop screen, turn off the laptop and unplug it. One of the easiest household products you can use to clean your screen is a microfiber cloth. To get rid of loose dust, gently wipe the cloth across the screen. You don't need to apply much pressure or moisten the cloth with anything. Use gentle circular motions to buff out any stubborn spots. If there's anything tougher than dust on the screen, put a 50-50 mix of white vinegar and distilled water into a spray bottle and spritz it onto a microfiber cloth. The cloth should be lightly damp, not soaking wet. Wipe any stubborn dirt spots on your screen with the moist cloth using quick circular motions. Never spray any cleaning solution directly onto your screen, and avoid using cleaning tools that could scratch up your screen, such as brushes or rough cloths.